What's up, guys? This is Johnny, aka J Soul Films. I just won a vintage Supra plate from a YouTuber. He did a giveaway. His name is Anthony. Ooh, so nice. All right, I'm going to install it. Oh yeah, check it out, guys. Looks really nice. Black and red combo matches. If only my paint, if I painted my car, it'll match with the license plate. I'm digging it. Awesome. Pretty much that's it. I came a long way to rebuild the engine. Whew. Blood, sweats, and tears, especially on the summer time. Man, crazy. All right. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.